So illustration 15, let's read the question. Now, for a frequency distribution of a monthly overtime in hours of employees of a company. Now, ध्यान दो please. The difference between two extreme quartile is 50. So this is one part of the question. And their sum. So difference दोनों extreme quartile का 50 है और उन दोनों का sum यानी total addition is 218. If median is 112, find the coefficient of skewness. So over here first let's write what we are able to make out from the question. Difference between two extreme quartiles. So two extreme quartile means what? Q3 minus Q1 is equal to 50 and their sum. So Q3 plus Q1 is equal to 218 and median is equal to 112. Find coefficient of skewness. Therefore, coefficient of skewness J is equal to, now quartiles are given, so Bowley's method we have to use Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m upon Q3 minus Q1. Now you have everything over here. You have Q3 minus Q1 which is 50. You have Q3 plus Q1 which is 218 and you have median. So substitute it. Q3 plus Q1 is 218. So 218 minus 2 into median is 112 upon Q3 minus Q1 is 50, which is equal to 218 minus 224 upon 50, which is equal to minus 6 upon 50. So therefore J is equal to 0.12 but negative, minus 0.12. Answer. Now illustration 16, again an important sum. Mode of a frequency distribution is 84. If the first quartile is 68, find the third quartile. So now first let's write what is given. So Q1 is equal to 68. Then mode is 84 and please underline this or highlight it. It's a symmetric frequency distribution. So symmetric frequency distribution means what? Symmetric frequency distribution means mean is equal to median, which is equal to mode, which is equal to 84. And the third quartile is what we have to find out. Because it is symmetric frequency distribution, so you please write over here since it is symmetric frequency distribution, J is equal to 0. So coefficient of skewness J is equal to 0. So j is equal to 0. Now, we know j is equal to 0. So first let's write the formula. J is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m upon Q3 minus Q1. Now, j is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to Q3 is what we have to find out, plus Q1, which is 68 minus 2m. Now, mode, mean and median are the same. So 2 into 84 upon Q3 minus Q1, which is 68. So obviously, now if you multiply this with 0, it is going to become 0. So 0 is equal to Q3 plus 68 minus 2 into 84 is 168. So from right hand side, it will go to left hand side, it will become positive. So 168, this positive will become negative. Minus 68 is equal to Q3. Therefore, Q3 is equal to 100. Answer. That's how you have to do this sum. Now, whenever such a short sums come, okay, don't panic. First, you write what is given. If you're stuck up, then you read the question again. You will get some word which will help you. For example, over here, the important point was it's a symmetric frequency distribution because you get quartile, you get mode. There is no formula where quartiles and mode are used. Okay, quartile and median is used. So that is why here it is given it's a symmetric frequency distribution. So first it will help you to find out median. Secondly, because it is symmetric frequency distribution, j is equal to 0. So if you're not able to understand this, you will not know how to proceed in such sums. So the best thing is you write what is given. If you're stuck up, read the question again. अगर क्वेश्चन है तो उसका आंसर है ही, तो क्वेश्चन को 2-3 बार पढ़ोगे तो automatically you will come to know what you are missing. And once you know that, apply the formula and get the answer. Okay, so these are important sums. Now let's go to illustration number 17. Illustration 17, mark it important. Now the following information is available about marks in a subject obtained by the students of a school in the annual examination. Now please pay attention all of you. 25% students have scored less than 28, whereas 75% students have scored less than 47. If the coefficient of skewness of marks is 0.4, find the median. Now over here, first let's understand exactly what the information is given. So for that, I'll draw a diagram for you. Say students are arranged in ascending order, okay, like this. So student over here has the minimum marks and student over here has the maximum marks. Now 25% students have scored less than 28. So 25%. So this complete area is 100%. This is over here 50%. This is a 25%. So 25% students have scored less than 28. So students scoring 28 mark will be somewhere over here. So this area is 25%. So these students who are standing over here have scored less than 28 marks. So this becomes our Q1. And 75% of the students have scored less than 47 marks. So this area, this is 75% area. So student over here has scored 47. So remaining students, there are 75% students who has scored less than 47 marks. So this 47 is Q3. So this is how we derive Q1 and Q3. So we write Q1 is equal to 28 and Q3 is equal to 47. Now always remember Q1 will be smaller and Q3 will be bigger because you can see the diagram. This is the minimum and this is the maximum. So 28 and 47, 25% area, 50% area, 75% area. Okay. So Q1 is 28, Q3 is 47. Coefficient of skewness J is equal to 0.4. We have to find the median. So let's write the formula. J is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2M upon Q3 minus Q1. So J is equal to 47 plus 28 minus 2 into median, which we don't know. So 2M, right as it is, upon Q3 is 47 minus 28. So J is what? 0.4 is equal to 47 plus 28 is equal to 75 minus 2M upon 47 minus 28, which is equal to 19. Now what we have to do, please dhyan do, this 19 we multiply with 0.4, so into 0.4, 7.6. So 7.6 is equal to 75 minus 2m. So minus 2m will go over here on the left hand side and it will become positive, and 7.6 will come over here, which is equal to 75 minus 7.6, which comes to 67.4. So 2m is equal to 60.4. Therefore, m is equal to 67.4 divided by 2, which is 33.7 marks. 33.7 marks. Now section B, question number. Now just now 11th, we start with the 11th. Which formula is used for finding coefficient of a skewness when a distribution has open-ended classes? So for open-ended classes, we will use what? So you can write over there Bowley's coefficient of skewness. Now, what is the range for coefficient of skewness computed using Carl Pearson's method for a frequency distribution with unequal class interval? So for unequal class interval, it will be, you remember the formula? It was a 3 in the bracket x bar minus m. So it will be minus 3 2 plus 3. Minus 3 2 plus 3. State the type of skewness for a frequency whose quartiles are 42, 36 and 40. Now कैसे पता चलेगा कौन सा Q1 है? Can you tell me which is Q1? 42, 30, 40 में Q1 कौन सा है?
36.
36. Very good. Q1 सबसे छोटा. Then next Q2
40.
40. Okay, so Q2 or median. And Q3 is 42. Now we have to state the type of skewness. So applied in the formula. So skewness is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m. चलो फटाफट scribble कर लो इसको, which is equal to Q3 is 42 plus Q1 is 36 minus 2m is 80, which is equal to 42 plus 36 minus 80, which is minus 2. So what is the skewness? Skewness is negative. It's a negative skewness. Okay, chalo फिर next one, 14. State the type of skewness for a frequency distribution where Q3 minus Q2 is less than Q2 minus Q1. So obviously you know when it is less than,
Negative.
it is negative. So you please write negative. The mean, 15th one, the mean of frequency distribution is less than its median by 2 units. The mean of frequency distribution is less than median by 2 units. So state the type of skewness. Now obviously you know mean is less than median, less than mode. So which type of skewness is this? Obviously it is going to be negative. So you write negative. Okay. Now Q3 plus Q1 is equal to 125 and median is equal to 62.5. ये जो है वो गलती से आ गया है 6. ओके, गुजराती मीडियम टेक्स्ट बुक से जब कन्वर्ट करते हैं इनटू इंग्लिश मीडियम तो रह गया. इसको इग्नोर कर दो. So you have Q3 plus Q1, you have median. What can be said about its skewness? Can you do this and tell me? Can you try this on your own?
Yes.
Yeah, please do that and tell me what's the answer.
Sir, it is skewness is equal to 0, so symmetric.
Yes, skewness is equal to 0. So let's do the working. I'll do it over here. Q3 plus Q1 is equal to 125 and median is equal to 62.5. So will we solve it? So skewness is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m. So 125 minus 62.5 into 2 is also 125 This is equal to 0. Therefore, it is symmetric. Please write this. It is symmetric. Next, 17. Mean equal to median equal to mode is equal to 48 in a frequency distribution. What can be said about its coefficient? When mean, median, mode are same, its coefficient will be 0. So it is a symmetric distribution. You please write this. Write the statement. Okay. The frequency distribution is symmetric, or frequency distribution is symmetrical. Got it? Now, for a frequency distribution, skewness is equal to minus 2.8. If mode is equal to 48.8, find mean. So we have to find the mean. Now which formula we'll use? Skewness is equal to mean minus mode. So minus 2.8 is equal to mean minus mode is 48.8. So 48.8 will come over here. So mean is equal to 48.8 minus 2.8. So therefore mean is equal to 46. Answer. Sum of two extreme quartile is 138 in a symmetric distribution. So this is important. Find its median. So sum of two extreme quartiles. So Q3 plus Q1 is equal to 138. It's a symmetric frequency distribution. So skewness is equal to 0. Find its median. So M is what we have to find. So skewness is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2M. Therefore, 0 is equal to 138 minus 2M. We take it to the left hand side. Therefore, 2M is equal to 138. Therefore, M is equal to 69. Hence, M is equal to 69. Median. Or you can write median is equal to 69. Question number 7. Now, the coefficient of skewed frequency distribution is 0.5. If the standard deviation is 20 and mean is 37.5, find the median. So first let's write what is given. J is equal to 0.75. Standard deviation is equal to 20 and mean is equal to 37.5. So now we have to find the median. So in which formula? We have median We have mean, we have standard deviation. So that is J is equal to 3 x bar minus m upon S. So this is the formula. Okay. Now let's substitute the values. So 0.75 is equal to 337.5 minus m upon standard deviation 20. So now we cross multiply it over here. So therefore 0.75 into 20 is 15 is equal to 3 into 37.5, which is 112.5, minus 3 into m, that is 3m. Now 3m will go on the left hand side and 15 will come on the right hand side. So 3m will become positive 112.5 minus 15. So therefore 3m is equal to 97.5. Therefore median m
32.5.
is equal to 32.5. That's correct answer. Very good. 32.5. So question 8, the mean of a skewed distribution exceeds its median by 3 if its coefficient of skewness is 0.5, then find the standard deviation. Now mean exceeds its median. So ये जो mean है, mean, it exceeds its median, यानी median से it is plus 3. So first you write this, the mean exceeds its median. So mean is going to be more than median by 3 and coefficient of skewness is 0.75. Find the standard deviation. Now as you know, median is used over here. So we will use the formula J is equal to 3 x bar minus m upon S, because standard deviation is what we have to find. So therefore J is equal to 0.75 is equal to 3. Now x bar is equal to what? X bar is equal to m plus 3 minus m upon standard deviation. So over here plus m minus m cancel. So 3 3. So 0.75 is equal to 3 3s are 9 upon standard deviation. Therefore standard deviation is 9 upon 0.75, which is equal to 12. So therefore standard deviation is equal to 12. Answer. हो गया सबका? Proceed.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now question 9 is an important one. If a frequency distribution has Q3 minus Q2, which is equal to 2 in the bracket Q3 minus Q2, find J. Now over here, first let's take Q2 is equal to N. So I write it once again, Q3 minus M is equal to 2 M minus Q, sorry, which is equal to Q3 minus, I think there is some typo mistake. Hold on. Let me check the question once again. गलत क्वेश्चन टाइप हुआ है, एक मिनट, मैं इसको रिमूव कर देता हूँ. मैं फिर से इसको कॉपी करता हूँ यहाँ पे. There was a typing mistake. Okay, sorry. Now it's done. Okay. Now over here we take Q3 minus Q2. So Q2 we take it as median. So we rewrite it Q3 minus M is equal to 2 in bracket M minus Q1. Okay, this is how we write. Okay, we have to find J. This is what we have to find. So here what formula we will use? First you have to visualize this. So the formula we will use is Q3 minus M minus Q1 upon Q3 minus M plus M minus Q1. So this is the formula what we will be using. Please write this formula, then we proceed. Now over here, what is Q3 minus M? Q3 minus M is 2M minus Q1. So here I'll write J is equal to Q3 minus M is what? 2 in the bracket M minus Q1 minus M minus Q1 in the bracket upon Q3 minus M is 2M minus Q1. So again 2M minus Q1 plus M minus Q1. Now just understand this. I'll give you an example. For example, you are given like this. 2A minus A upon 2A plus A. So how will you solve it? 2A minus A will become A and 2A plus A will become 3A. Then AA will be cancelled and you will get 1 upon 3. Similarly, over here, 2M minus Q1. Okay, let me use some different color. 2M minus Q1 minus M minus Q1, 2M minus Q1 plus M minus Q1. So over here, which is equal to 2M minus Q1 minus M minus Q1. So which is equal to just M minus Q1 upon 2M minus Q1 plus M minus Q1, which is equal to 3M minus Q1. Now Q1 cancel is equal to 1 by 3, which is equal to 0.33. Therefore, J is equal to 0.33. Very important question for exam. Okay, it can come in your exam. Do practice it again and again. And that's why when we wrote the formulas, I told you that this is an important formula. It will come in your short sums. So this one. So you have to remember this also. Now 10 is a very important question. Okay, skewness is equal to minus 6.6 and quartile deviation is 22. So first let's write the formula of skewness. Skewness is equal to Q3. Because it is talking of quartile, we have to use this Bowley's method only, plus Q1 minus 2F. So therefore minus 6.6 is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2F. So इसको हम ध्यान में रखेंगे. Now, quartile deviation is equal to what? Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. So therefore, QD is 22, which is equal to Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. 2 will be multiplied over here. So 44 is equal to Q3 minus Q1. So this is important. This is important. Now we write the formula for skewness. J is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2M upon Q3 minus Q1. Now we already have Q3 plus Q1 minus 2M is minus 6.6 and Q3 minus Q1 we already have 44. So find it minus 0.15 and so this is how you have to do this sum, extremely important for exam. Now 11th sum. A skewed frequency distribution has mean which is equal to 40, mode which is equal to 46, Q3 plus Q1 is equal to 76 and Q3 minus Q1 is equal to 20. Find Bowley's coefficient of skewness. Now for that we need to find out the median. Okay, so median is what we have to find out first. So we have mean, we have mode, we want to find out median. So we use the formula. Mode is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. So mode 46 is equal to 3m.
सर
Yeah.
स्क्यूनेस का फॉर्मूला भी यूज हो सकता है ना?
हाँ सर, मैंने भी स्क्यूनेस पे से फाइंड करके किया है.
स्क्यूनेस का फॉर्मूला कौन सा फाइंड यूज करोगे तुम?
माइनस एमओ से उससे
फाइंड द स्क्यूनेस.
यस,
हाउ?
स्क्यूनेस पे से किया.
कैसे?
सर उसमें एसके
Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m.
Q3 plus
Q1.
but where is 2m? मीडियन तो है ही नहीं हमारे पास.
हाँ सर, वो मैंने एस के इज इक्वल टू एक्स पर माइनस एमओ पे से पहले स्क्यूनेस फाइंड किया. X3 इज इक्वल टू
बट
एक्स
वो
पर
स्क्यूनेस
माइनस
यहाँ पे हम अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते भाई, क्योंकि वो स्क्यूनेस जो तुमने फाइंड किया, क्या फाइंड किया? एस के इज इक्वल टू मीन माइनस मोड करके.
यस
Yes.
So you got minus 6.
यस.
Applied it over here.
नहीं, फिर सर 3 इज इक्वल टू एक्स पर माइनस एम फॉर्मूला से एम फाइंड किया, वो 114 आता है.
So what's the answer you are getting? J?
सर एक मिनट.
पहले J check करो. वो आ रहा
सर
है.
मेरा आंसर -0.3 आ रहा है, गलत आया
ना 0.4
मेरा माइनस 7.6 है सर.
आंसर इज 0.4.
हाँ मेरा गलत आ गया, मगर क्यों यूज क्यों नहीं कर सकते इधर?
हाँ, क्योंकि वो अलग पूरा फॉर्मूला स्क्यूनेस अलग है और यहाँ पे तुम अप्लाई कर रहे हो, कैसे कर सकते हो? ये कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ ये स्क्यूनेस जो तुमने पहले फाइंड किया वो कार्ल पियर्सन से है, और ये तुम जो स्क्यूनेस फाइंड कर रहे हो उसमें बाउली का फाइंड करना है, तो तुम वो यूज नहीं कर सकते भाई. You have to just find the measure median using this formula first. That is why. पता चला?
Okay, okay.
तो यही formula you have to use. You can't use that formula. You can't use this formula. Okay. जो ऑडियंस को जो सुन रहे थे पर पता नहीं चला कि सर क्या बात कर रहे हैं, तो you can't use this formula. SK is equal to mean minus mode, and then find skewness and then apply that SK is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2M and find it. No, you can't use this formula. You have to use this formula only. Okay, because here this is as per Carl Pearson, you are going, and here you are going for Bowley, so that's not right. You find the measure. Okay, so for finding the measure we use this mode is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. So 3m minus 2x bar is 2 into 40, which is 80. So therefore 3m we keep as it is, 80 we add, so it becomes 126. Therefore median is equal to 126 divided by 3, which is equal to 42. Now you have got median. Okay, now you use the formula J, which is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2n upon Q3 minus Q1. Now you have everything with 76, Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m is 84 upon 20, which is equal to 76 minus 84 is minus 8 by 20, which is equal to minus 0.4. So J is equal to minus 0.4. That's the answer. Now, over here in the 14th sum, mark it again important for exam. The coefficient of skewness of a distribution. So J is equal to 0.85. If its mean is 3.4 more than its mode, it means mean is equal to 3.4 more than its mode. So you can write it this way, mean is equal to 3.4 plus mode. Or mean is equal to mode plus 3.4. That also you can write. Find its variance. So variance is what? Is S square, which is what we have to find. So here you can see over here, there are certain terms connected with the previous chapter. And that's why please write the formulas daily. Okay, what is variance? Variance is standard deviation square. Now you have J, you have mode, you have mean. So, and variable mode is also mentioned over here. So J is equal to X bar minus mode upon S. So 0.85, which is equal to, what is mean now? Mean directly we can take this. So 3.4 plus mode upon standard deviation. So standard deviation is what we have to find out. So we cross multiply.
सर माइनस मोड नहीं आएगा?
Minus mode, sorry. 3.4 plus mode minus mode upon standard deviation. Now this mode cancels, standard deviation will come over here and 0.85 will come over here. Therefore standard deviation is equal to 3.4 upon 0.85, which is equal to 4.
Oh,
But what we have to find? We don't have to find standard deviation. Therefore variance is equal to S square, which is equal to 4 square, which is equal to 60. So that's how we have to solve this.